A morning is a wonderful blessing, either cloudy or sunny. It stands for new hope, new strength, and new thought. For each morning, let there be flow of love and light of happiness in every direction. With these beautiful lines, I Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 10, along with my classmates, wish you all a very pleasant morning. The sweetest time of the day for all of us is when we pray to God. It is because this time we are talking to the one who loves us the most. Let's we all connect with the Almighty, the creator of the whole world. So all of you please ready for prayer? Join your hands and close your eyes. Pledge is our commitment for a promising tomorrow. It is to show love and respect for our country and its people. I would request to Krishna to lead us with the pledge. A positive thought reminds us to stay positive, and positivity balances our mind. To share positivity through today's thought, I would call Sonica. Good morning to all of you. My name is Sonica. Today's thought is, you are the only one who can control the way you think. Make sure you nourish the positive thoughts and weed out the negative ones. Means a positive thought reminds us to stay positive. Sometimes we all have negative thoughts in our mind. That time we need to deal with them, otherwise they started cropping up like weeds in the garden of our mind. People who are positive thinkers live longer. The more positive thoughts we have, the more better we feel. To make every day best of your life, have a positive attitude. Thank you. Reading news helps us to learn something new every day. It is a source of inspiration and knowledge. For latest news headlines, I would invite Harshika. Thank you, Harshika, for updating us. Doha, a very old verse format of Indian poetry. Sant Kabir Dohas inspires us and gives us positive vibes. I would like to invite Anay to sing Kabir ke Dohe. Hope you definitely felt inspired. National anthem inculcates feeling of devotion and reverence of our beloved motherland. To show devotion towards our motherland, you all please get ready for national anthem. Thank you. Have a good day. Now you all move to your respective classes.